This is an NBA Live mobile coaching guide. So as you can see, all of my players are finesse players. However, my coach is in the power. So you think that if you put this as finesse, you think all your players will be boosted, as every single one of these players are matching, right? But as you can see, even though I have all finesse players and a finesse coach, my players are not boosted. If you look at under the bench players, that's because they don't have any boost. So if I go to my point guard here, I try and put in Shai Gilgeous, you see he has the pick and roll here, in which you can see is an active and bench boost. And as you can see, my point guard is now boosted, which is why your players are not boosted yet. So if I added some players here, I'll add Devin Booker as the bench. As you can see, more players are getting boosted. And while these players are boosted, and see, all of my players are now boosted, and some of these players' overalls even increase. Now, if you wanted to get coaches, you can come over to the store, click on Core, scroll until you see Base Boost Item, in which this will give you a coach if you spend 150 NBA cash. So let me open this pack real quick. And yeah, I got a regimen, which is, I don't know which one this is called. But yeah, it's a coach that you can use to boost your players. My players are still boosted. So yeah, that's how coaches work. That's how you can boost your players. Subscribe if you want more NBA Live mobile content.